Here, it's Heaven 3 by Meraki Developers. The construction is going in the early stage and it's moving forward. Shoring works are completed and now excavation and soil formation are underway. BCC and anti-termite treatment are now in progress. This is the stage that everyone never sees, but this stage always defined everything that will come after. At a time when people keep questioning about time, delivery, and supply, here's the place where confidence is actually built. And same approach as always. In-house construction, our team on site every day. If you are paying attention for the details, we are here whenever you are ready.